Welcome to your meditation journey presented by Mindfulisms. This quick video will explain what meditation is. Meditating for 10 minutes a day is like taking your brain to the spa. At its most basic level, meditation is the physical act of putting an end to the stress and tasks of your day by sitting still and appreciating the present moment. When we meditate, we're learning to focus on the breath as it comes in and out, and to notice when our minds wander away from the activity at hand. Returning to the breath strengthens the muscles of attention and awareness. When we focus on our breath, we are learning how to intentionally return to and remain in the present moment, how to anchor ourselves in the here and now without judgment. Meditation is not about becoming a different person, but rather about truly becoming the person you already are. It's all about developing awareness, an appreciation of the present moment, and a healthy sense of perspective. You are not attempting to suppress your ideas or feelings. You're learning to view the world and your emotions objectively. You may ultimately develop a deeper understanding of them as well. Mindfulness is a popular tool used throughout different meditative practices. Mindfulness is the ability to be present, to be totally involved with whatever we are doing at the time. Mastering your meditation practice is no different from learning any other skill. Consider it like working out a muscle you've never worked out before. It takes time and practice to become comfortable. And having an instructor typically makes things simpler. We have you covered there. Join the Mindfulisms community by subscribing to our channel for more free guided meditations, mindfulness courses, and focus and sleep tools. Thanks for watching, and remember, at Mindfulisms we believe meditation should be free.